What is up, guys? Welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, what I will be showing you is how you can send cards to your friends in Monopoly Go. Now, to send cards to your friends, what you need to do first is you need to actually earn those cards by playing the game. You earn them through getting sticker packs, either by rewards, by completing events, or whatever way you can find. Once you actually get these stickers, you will get unique stickers, and if you only have one copy of those stickers, you cannot send it to your friends. What you need to have to send them to your friends is to actually have duplicate stickers, and let me show you what that looks like. The way that you access your stickers in this game is by clicking on the album button in the bottom right. Once you click that, you will gain access to your sticker collections. If you actually want to see, for example, one of these sticker collections and which stickers you have in it, for example, Adventures of Thor, you click on it. Once you click on it, it will show you the 9 cards that are in that collection and which ones you have. As you can see, next to certain stickers in the bottom left, I have a +1. What this +1 means is that I have one duplicate of these stickers, guys. And as I've said, you need these duplicates to actually send them to your friends. For example, let's say that I want to send Flamebridge, the duplicate, to one of my friends. I click on the card and this screen pops up. As you can see in the bottom, it says I've already sent 2 today, and you can only send a maximum of 5 cards per day, guys. If you actually can send them to your friends, you click the Send to Friend button, and you will get a list of all your friends in your friends list on Monopoly Go. Let's say I want to send this card to Jerry. I will click the select button next to Jerry's name, and this screen will pop up. This screen will ask me to confirm that I want to send it. I actually do not, since I want to save this duplicate, but that is how you send cards, guys, in Monopoly Go. I hope this was informative. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys in another video.